Okay, so Pythagoras gave us the hypotenuse, and then some Greek geniuses decided to label every side of a triangle like they were tagging luggage at an airport. Opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. But here's the secret the math books don't tell you until chapter 4. Trigonometry isn't actually about triangles. It's about a circle having a midlife crisis. Today, we're going to turn triangles into waves and explain why sine and cosine are basically just the GPS coordinates for a point that can't stop walking in circles. Key thing to remember is this little circle, the unit just means 1. 1 meter, 1 mile, 1 ego. It doesn't matter. The radius is 1. Now imagine you're standing at the center and you start walking out to the edge. Once you hit the edge, you start walking counterclockwise. Your position at any moment is defined by an angle theta. But how do we tell a friend where we are on this circle without using a map? We use the trig trio. Look at this triangle inside the circle. The hypotenuse is the radius, so it's always 1. Now look at the horizontal side, the adjacent side. That's just the x-coordinate. Look at the vertical side, the opposite side. That's just the y-coordinate. If you use SOH ka to a, cos theta is adjacent over 1, which is just x. Sin theta is opposite over 1, which is just y, boom. Every point on that circle isn't just x and y, it's cos theta, sin theta. Cosine is how far left or right you are. Sine is how far up or down you are. That's it. That's the whole tweet. Now, we use degrees because they're easy, but mathematicians hate them because 360 is an arbitrary number. They prefer radians. A radian is what happens when you take the radius of a circle, turn it into a wet noodle, and slap it onto the edge of the circle. How many noodles does it take to get halfway around? 3.14 noodles. A Ka pi. To go all the way around? 2 pi. So when someone says pi over 2, they just mean, I've walked a quarter of the circle, or 90 degrees. Stop making it sound complicated, Pythagoras. If you take that up and down movement, the sine, and track it over time as the circle spins, you don't get a circle anymore. You get this, the sine wave. This wave is everywhere. It's the sound of my voice hitting your speakers. It's the AC electricity powering your house. It's the light hitting your eyes. Trigonometry is literally the language of anything that repeats. Your heartbeats? Wi-Fi signals? The annoying flickering of a fluorescent bulb? So, next time you see a triangle, don't just see 3 lines. See a circle waiting to happen. See a wave waiting to crash. And if you still don't get it, well, just remember, long line, big number, short line, small number. Stay ripped, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next quadrant. Peace.